I don't listen. Take over this, huh? Yeah, what do I talk? Are we ready?
Yes, rolling.
Hi, I'm Ken, and I am not really conscious about my health, but right now with such kind of an offer, a really generous one where you can consider going out in the night, partying, and still eat healthy and remain subordinately fit. I think it's the right place to be and the right thing to do. And of course, I wish Neha lots of luck for this, for initiating this in a city like Bombay where we all need it. So get used to it and stay healthy and party harder. Thank you. Rohit, come. Thanks so much.
Yes. Yep.
So Arvind, Dia is curated this menu which is for a healthy lifestyle, and partying is just not unhealthy lifestyle today.
Right.
It's not a new concept being introduced. What do you have to say?
Well, I've known Neha for years, and she's always been someone who's extremely driven and very passionate. So I think we've been chatting about this for a while, and then I guess the day is here. She's been really sweating it out. But I think Healthylicious, as a term itself, is something that one should sort of come to terms with, because most of us think of healthy food, but don't really think of it being delicious. So I think it's a smart term. I'm pretty sure the food will live up to more than what the word speaks of. So yeah, kudos to everyone at the Flying
What's your
Saucer.
favorite thing? Are you like totally gluten-free, vegan?
Yeah, I'm a Desi Punjabi Munda, so I pretty much can eat everything under the sun. But once in a while I do balance it out. Yeah. Cool. Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Sure.
एक मिनट साथ में ले लेंगे.
I need a picture with you.
Yeah, of course.
Come.
Yeah, we take Navinji also.
Yeah. Lighting खराब हो जाएगी.
Yeah. One picture there with Navinji also. So we just do a group picture.
One picture.
Kaushik?
You don't even need the
No, with you, Arman. Arman.
Thank you.
I'll come back for my bite.
No.
Actually, you want? Yeah, you can.
Finish.
Yeah, you go with Arman. It's okay.
You go with him.
I will go.
2 minutes.
Take 5 minutes. This is what you work on.
You have my phone. I need a video of this. You will do it for me. You'll send it to me, or you tag me. I'll retag. Hi everybody. Good evening.
So, Neha, what's special today? You want for your fashion, for your films, for your acting, and now there's something
Food.
new to you, which is food.
I think we all love food. Absolutely. Food is my first love. Second love would be fitness. So I feel since I'm a.
Look at this head.
What is the question?
Yeah. So it's about food. So how did this happen? How did Flying Saucer and you collaborate on?
Okay, I love food. I think it's the first love for everybody. I mean, food is something that nobody can resist. And being healthy is on the top of my list. And working and hectic lifestyle, social nightlife to accommodate everything in your business and stay healthy is a tough task. It's quite a challenge. So I decided to be healthy and go off certain items and still enjoy my nightlife and hectic lifestyle. the long number of shooting hours and stuff. So I decided that why not serve it to others and make them healthy. And I hope you all enjoy the food. It's gluten-free, keto-friendly, sugar-free, plant-based, vegan, and it's gonna serve each and every taste palette. It's not something I've curated it from worldwide cuisine. You cannot categorize it as a Thai or a continental or something. Every single person with every single individual taste palette will have something to eat. There are about 38 to 40 items on my menu. Please have a look and enjoy the food.
So, we're calling it healthiest and the fastest. Why fastest? What's the recipe of it being called
Finest.
taste? Yeah. And fastest in terms of cooking and, putting things
It's not
together.
fast, it's fine.
Okay.
Okay.
So what's a USP on that?
So when I say it's the finest menu, because the ingredients, the macro ingredients that I have used are like avocado, like gluten-free oats, and sorry, can we come back?
Yeah.
Okay. So when I say finest menu, it is I've used milk products, but not for the dairy-free items. There's chia pudding, there's fresh fruits, raw, organic food, there's avocado toast, there's avocado pizzas, which are gluten-free. I have used the non-vegetarian items are chicken and mutton, and they're all baked, and there's no gluten in it. And people who work out, who train, and who are fitness fans, they know that what are they supposed to eat and what are they not supposed to eat. So most of the times when I go out, I have a little time on the menu serving that what am I supposed to eat and what am I not supposed to eat. So this is something that you can pick any item without a second doubt.
So is it pocket friendly now?
It is, well, pocket friendly, but certain items are, like I said, the fine menu, I did not compromise on any of the ingredients. I did not compromise on the quality of the food, the items that I'm using to prepare my items. So it's worth it.
It's everything is in the right proportion when it comes to health, of course. So what is your pick? What is your favorite one dish that you
I think
strongly
desserts.
recommend?
I am a dessert person, so I have strawberry and hot chocolate. I love chocolate, so I made it something that I think everybody loves chocolate. There's desserts made of chia pudding and fruits. They're all raw and organic. I insist and repeat it again and again because there are people, we need to, because of all the chemicals that are used right now for farming and the vegetables that we get, even if you buy raw organic vegetables, there is pharmaceuticals and chemicals used for all these things. So the more you keep it organic and less preservative, there's no preservative in any item. The pizza base are freshly made in my kitchen. The avocado sauce puree is freshly made every day. Everything is freshly made and the shelf life is only 1 day, 24 hours. I do not use anything the next day because that's how I used to eat.
So what do you have to say about Flying Saucer as a product?
Flying Saucer is a beautiful place, and they also the first one to introduce such a healthy lifestyle and healthy meals. Plus you can enjoy your drinks on the side, and the music, the vibe is so good. I love the rooftop they have. We don't have any other place like this in Bombay, like in a city of Bombay where we have all the pubs and bars and clubs, but we don't have anything like this. It's a beautiful vibe. I enjoy every time I come here. Thank you. Please have the food and go. Everybody enjoy it. Thank you very much. Yes.
Naveen ji, up here.
I will not speak then. मुझे बोलना नहीं आएगा।
आपको इतना ही बोलना है कि भाई फ्लाइंग सॉसर फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी है मुंबई में नाइट लाइफ में जहाँ पे हेल्दी खाना भी अब मिलेगा और हेल्दी जो सब जितने पार्टी गोअर्स हैं या जो नाइट लाइफ एंजॉय करना चाहते हैं उनके लिए अच्छा खाना है उनके पास ऑप्शंस हो गई आप जैसा भी खाना पसंद करें आप गिल्टी नहीं होंगे नेक्स्ट टाइम
Where? Okay, hi.
मैंने ये मेन्यू क्रिएट किया है फ्लाइंग सॉसर में क्या यूनिक
it's a launch bar plus a restaurant, and to introduce a first time menu like this, which serves healthy food. I think no other place or a launch bar will serve healthy food along with like this, with beautiful ambience and everything.
तो आप कितने एक्साइटेड हैं आज, मतलब एक नया नया चीज़ आ रही है बॉम्बे में, फर्स्ट टाइम आ रही है और फ्लाइंग सॉसर लेकर आ रहे हैं, उसके लिए क्या कहेंगे?
I am very much excited and hope all goes good.
Hi.
दीक्षिता, आप बहुत फूड हेल्थ कॉन्शियस है, यू ऑलवेज वॉच व्हाट यू ईट। आज आप यहाँ पे हैं, हेल्दी डिशेस जो मेन्यू लॉन्च हुआ है, व्हाट वुड यू लाइक?
You said it all. मैं बहुत health conscious हूँ, इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे हूँ. And I'm so glad that this is launched by Healthy Thing, Neha Ahuja. And Flying Saucer is the first place who's launching this healthy food. तो हमारे जैसे बहुत दिखेंगे आपको, actors and fitness freak. So all the best to entire team, and I love the concept. I think all the restaurants should do this.
So आप कैसा खाना पसंद करते हैं? What is kind of food that you usually eat?
See, generally, I'm not a foodie, but we are in this profession. We have to look good. We have to be fit. So, खाना बहुत मायने रखता है. So, no oily food, no masalas, nothing. All less spicy, healthy, like boiled thing, continental thing. So, whichever is healthy, not putting fats on my body, I eat everything. You know. Thank you so much. Take care.
Didi, I'm just coming.
Marvel is there? No, it's okay. I can give the bite. पार्वल को बुला लो, मॉडल को बुला ले.
बुला दो
नहीं
हाँ प्लीज
पार-
बुला दो
कॉलर ना. आ जाओ इधर. कौन पूछेगा कौन? जी बोलिए. तुम बताना जवाब सारे तुम बताना.
सो सर ये लाइक हेल्दी और डिलीशियस फूड की बात हो रही है और फर्स्ट टाइम इन मुंबई फ्लाइंग सॉसर ने ऐसा कुछ अलग थीम लाया है. सो आप उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहोगे?
आई थिंक ये फर्स्ट टाइम तो नहीं है. बहुत सारे लोगों ने करा है और बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है. मतलब हर रेस्टोरेंट में ये चीज़ होना चाहिए. आई थिंक हर रेस्टोरेंट में ये चीज़ होना चाहिए एंड इट्स वेरी गुड थिंग. एंड दिस प्लेस बिलोंग्स टू माय फ्रेंड एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी ही स्टार्टेड दिस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
सर लाइक इंडस्ट्री में फिटनेस की बहुत ज़रूरत रहती है. लाइक सारे सेलेब्स को इतना एकदम फिट होने की ज़रूरत है. आपको देख के भी लगता है कि आप काफ़ी फिट हो. तो आपको क्या कहना चाहिए?
ये देखिए स्लैब्स को नहीं सारे लोगों को होना चाहिए. सारे लोगों को आप लोगों को भी होना चाहिए. लेकिन थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना चाहिए. हेल्थ का ध्यान रखना चाहिए. बहुत ज़रूरी है. आज हम लोग जो खाना खाते हैं इसमें इतना सारा केमिकल है, इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं. तो बहुत ज़रूरी है इन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना हम लोगों को.
थैंक यू सर.
पारुल तुम भी तो कुछ बोलो.
अरे यार.
ये देखो ये कितनी फैट. इनसे भी तो कुछ पूछिए आप.
सो लाइक आप ही ज़्यादा काफ़ी फिट दिख रहे हो लाइक सर. तो आपका क्या कहना है? आप क्या टिप्स देना चाहोगे आपका फिटनेस का?
आई थिंक जो यूजुअल हम करते हैं अपनी डेली लाइफ में उसको थोड़ा और बेटर कर सकते हैं विद फूड एंड ईटिंग हैबिट्स एंड ऑब्वियसली वर्किंग आउट एंड मेंटेनिंग अ वेरी गुड स्लीप साइकिल. सो आई थिंक वेरी बेसिक एंड लेट्स स्टिक टू जो
सामने देखो.
स्कूल थॉट था हमारे पेरेंट्स ने जो हमको बोला था. सो आई थिंक वो जो बेसिक्स थे अगर हम वही पकड़ के चलेंगे तो इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ नाइस लाइफ.
थैंक यू सो मच.
बाय।